Pew 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 pew. Hello, we are on a nature walk, a family nature walk. Declan's home from break, guys. It's golden hour. Dad just asked if golden hour was a term. Yes, it's a term. Look at the gold. It's everywhere. What's your favorite tree?
Fir tree.
What's your favorite tree? Douglas. Ooh, she had it prepared. What's your favorite tree?
Willow.
True. Jump. 3, 2, 1, jump. Oh, goodness, that was painful to watch. We have a little critter with us. We haven't yet named him. I feel so bad. This poor guy, we're taking him away from his family and his friends. But I don't know. Does he have family and friends? What if he's alone in this time of his life? He's like, you know what I need? I need caregivers. Okay, so he's upgraded onto a bigger leaf. Big leaf, who dis? New house. Sueña, bali, chicabo, si chiwu, buenya, eh. Okay, Declan and I think that he might fly, just jump off of this leaf. Oh my God! What just happened? He's clinging on. He's clinging on for dear life. Oh my God. Honey, why are you doing this to me? I don't want to drop you again.
Turn the camera.
Okay, I have flipped my hand. I'm now contorted so that our little guy can come home with us. We are worried that he's been put under way too much stress today. Okay, we've named our little guy. We've named him, what is it? Say it again. Say it.
The creator.
Where is a good place?
You already dropped him.
Dad dropped
You
him.
guys are knuckleheads. You can't even hold the thing for more than.
Well, then let's just speed up.
No, we're not bringing him home, Declan. Look, he wants to be free. He's literally speaking to us.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Ready?
Do not yeet him, Declan. Do not.
Him?
Yeet.
No!
It's like, how does he fall like 20 times and then I yeet him and he just lives?
Mom's screaming, take him home in the background. Golfing with the bros. We're out here, it's sunny, it's a beautiful fall day. Woohoo! Declan's trying to figure out what to be for Halloween. I told him just fake blood is the way to go. Whoa. I just got a costume for the scene in the Batman movie where the Joker dresses up as a nurse. Put some ideas in the comments if you have any. Just got super windy out here. I don't know if you can hear it. Soups winds. I just lost like 5 balls because the wind was like, you are mine now. And the ball just was like, pew.